Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Project Vagrant. I know it's been a while since we posted anything, so basically what happened was we sent off our other camera that I dropped and broke to get fixed, and due to COVID-19, the parts have been delayed twice now, so we went and bought a new camera. We got the Canon G7X Mark III. We originally wanted this camera, but we didn't get it because there was no way to hook up an external mic. So now I'm going to show you guys what we've been up to on the van. We got a couple more weeks to get it done before we have to move in, so it's a little stressful. So let's get on into it. It's such a beautiful day outside today. I just unloaded the van. I have to do that every time I work on the van. I usually don't show you guys that part, but basically all of the wood and stuff that I work with, all of the tools are inside the van stacked up, so I have to unload everything from our bed frame here. So now I need to show you guys the parts of the build that you haven't really seen yet. So the last thing we left you with was this overhead cabinet or shelf. You can see I knocked out this shelf. We've got the pull-out pantry here. Cut out our countertops. Built a drawer for the other countertop. We got the overhead cabinet up here, or shelf, I mean, stove and oven. So right now I'm about to make the face for these cabinets. I'm gonna have two drawers here, two drawers above the toilet. I have a spice rack here, I believe. There's a little bit of storage up here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use it for yet. Let me show you guys this pull-out pantry. It's pretty neat. On 250-pound heavy-duty drawer slides. Very nice. I need to screw in some little lips or something to keep stuff from falling out. It's the face I'm going to cut out. And the oven will be here. Two drawers. Big drawer for toilet. You can see the blueprint that I had for our counter. It looks like the camera just overheated while recording 4K, so that's kind of annoying. Switched over to 1080.
To assist with drawing, I used a framing square and saw guide. The wood is just 1/2-inch hard plywood from my local Home Depot. I drilled some holes as entry points for my jigsaw and began cutting the face.
Camera died yesterday. I didn't quite catch the finishing of the face for the kitchen cabinetry. I went ahead and started the drawers, sketched up some plans. Oh, right here. I've went ahead and cut out two of the drawers. I've got two more to cut out. Just want to give you a quick look here. It still needs sanded quite a bit, but I'm planning to do that by hand because there was not enough room for the orbital sander. I'll clean it up a bit. It'll look really nice when I get the drawers and the drawer faces on as well. I've got the two drawers built, and now I am mounting these pieces horizontally here. And these are here so that whenever I put the faces on the cabinetry, we're gonna have these little latches that are going to be mounted to these little pieces, these horizontal pieces. That'll make it where there's some resistance to opening so the drawers don't fly open and stuff. Got to mount one more right here. I still need to make the ones for these drawers. I've got two of the slides mounted, and now I've just got to mount the sides to the slides to the drawer. So the way I did this, each one of these slots is about 4 inches tall. So I went up 2 inches, drew a straight line, went up 2 inches, drew a straight line, you can see down below, and then just mounted it right in the middle there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna measure the exact middle of these drawers, draw a line straight down the middle, and then mount the other slide. That way it's perfectly in the center of this and hopefully has no issues sliding in and out. Moment of truth. Let's see if it fits. Let's see if it rubs and doesn't fit right. Let's see if the drawer's bowed. There's literally so many things that could go wrong with the drawers. It's kind of nerve-wracking, but let's try it out.
So the drawer wouldn't slide in all the way because it was hitting a support slightly in the back. It took some sanding, but I got it all fixed.
here are all the parts to the drawer. The fronts, the backs, hopefully everything is measured right.
Hopefully.
And I know it's measured right, but hopefully I didn't screw up my thought process on getting everything to fit together, but about to test fit cases just to be sure.
And the verdict is?
Everything's gonna be fine. The verdict is that everything is sized correctly.
The verdict is that I'll never financially recover from this.
The Craig pocket hole jig. I've preached pocket holes in like our last 3 videos, so I won't go over it again. All them pocket holes, boy.
This drawer? Oh yes, very nice, yes. And then this drawer? Oh yes, also very nice.
I'm taking apart the drawer slides because I'm about to mount them. We're gonna have some more drawers.
Storage, storage.
Now you guys did not see what I've done here. But basically, if you look, you can see these lines. And this is the line that I'm gonna try to center in these holes of the drawer slides and use them to mount the drawer slides. So what I did was I just measured the opening and then halved it. And then to mount the rail on each drawer, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna measure the width of the height of the drawer and then half it and draw a line. And that way it should just be centered almost perfectly in this hole. I'm not gonna say perfectly because I don't know what I'm doing. It's gonna be close enough. It's gonna come out.
He sits in the van that he's built.
Well, yeah, but I'm just saying, like, it's probably not gonna be perfectly centered, but it's gonna come out like this, where there's gaps and it all slides and it works. And that's what we're here for. We just want it to work. That's all we ask for here.
Functionality.
Yeah. It would be easier to clamp this on, but I don't have a clamp that's gonna hold it right here, so I'm just gonna hold it with my hand. Okay, so you can see I'm holding it, and you can see the line in that hole, and I'll just center the screw tip onto that line and then screw it in while holding it in place. And I'll just continue down until it's all done.
Yay. Alright.
Cue up the drum roll, Tosh. Calm down, Chewy. Not gonna be surprised if they don't fit perfect. I might have to sand some stuff down. Okay, that's fine. So that one needs some sand in. I see what's going on. It's hitting the framing on the bottom of the cabinetry.
Hey, that one fits pretty good.
It needs a little bit of sanding too. It's just barely scrubbing this top up here, but I really just wanted to take a minute and talk about this whole COVID-19 thing. It's really crazy. I mean, it's just insane how fast this has just completely changed, I guess, everything. I've just had a lot of anxiety because our lease ends at the end of April, and we've got 28 days, I think, maybe 29, to get this van build done, moved in the van, and sell all of our stuff and like have the apartment cleared and cleaned out. And that's just really nerve-wracking. You know, a van build's really overwhelming. There's so many moving pieces, so many things to consider and think about, and it also just seems that every single thing I try to do just takes so much longer than I even expected it to take. I'm kind of nervous about, you know, me getting sick. Like, if I get sick right now, I'm gonna have to try to finish the van build, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I don't have a backup plan. There are driveways or places we could stay at. We just don't really want to resort to that. So
if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you click the notification bell, then we'll let you know every time we upload a new video. But other than that, we'll see you next time.
We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget, anything we used in this video will be linked in the description. Thanks, guys.